Hey, what's up? It's your boy Jovi. Um, Today I'm going to show you how to create chords or make chords in FL Studio 20. Um, I'm going to show you the easiest way I learned how to create chords or build chords in FL Studio over the years since I've been producing, making beats, rhythms, and all that. If you know music theory, it's a plus in your book, or kind of make it kind of gives you an advantage of making chords and melodies and stuff like that if you know music theory. But necessarily you don't really have to know music theory like that. But if you know it, or if you want to learn it, you could go and learn it online, or search it up or whatever. But I'm going to show you how I learned how to create chords over the years, make it easier for me to make my beat, rhythms, and all that. um, I develop not to say develop, but I learned a code to create chords, and I saw other producers learn it too. And yeah, let's get into it. The code of the formula is for major chords is 4-3, and for minor chords is the opposite, is 3-4. All right, let's get into the piano roll. Okay, you want to start on the root note. Start on the root note, which is C. I'm gonna use the C major scale as the example to build chords. You want to start on the root note, which is C, and then from C you count up four times. 1, 2, which gives you E. Then from E you count up 3 times. Let's give you G. And this is how it sounds. You hear how happy that sound? And for minor chords now, you just flip it around. You put the 3 in the front and the 4 in the back, and you just count from the root note up 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Gives you E flat or D sharp. Then from the E flat, you count upwards 4 times. And gives you G. And this is how it sounds. You hear how dark and sad that sound? Let me do a comparison. First is major. You basically get the idea how they sound. You could hear the difference. One is happy and one is sad. And yeah. And please let me know if you want me to do any more tutorials on anything. Just please let me know in the comments and leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. And I really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I'm out.